Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to un-precompose a file in After Effects. Let's jump into the screen.
You can see that I have a precomposed file in the media pool. There are many premium plugins available to do this task in one click and in bulk. But in this video, I'll show you a workaround method that is completely free. First, bring the precomposed file to the timeline. Double click on the precomposed file to open it. Now select one element from here, then press Ctrl plus A on the keyboard to select all the elements. Next, go to Edit, then click on Copy. Now go back to the main composition. Go to Edit again and click on Paste. Here you can see that all the precomposed layers are now unprecomposed. I know this is a lengthy process, but this is a free alternative to the premium plugins that you need to ungroup precomposed files. While you're at it, if you make any mistakes or your project becomes corrupted for some reason, you can simply undo it by pressing Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard. And that's how you can unprecompose a file in After Effects easily.